From the world of celebrities, self-acclaimed financial advisor GheGhe has weighed in on the controversy between Afrobeat superstar Burna and Lagos-based socialite Sophia pledging to sue the singer. Notably, Burna has been embroiled in controversy following a leaked audio of Sophia accusing him of reneging on his promise to buy her a Lamborghini in exchange for a romantic relationship. However, Burna responded with a skating freestyle mocking Sophia and announced his arrival in Kenya for a music performance. In a surprising turn of event, Burna performed the freestyle on stage, urging the crowd to respond with Opwe, a recently released song by GheGhe. Recall that GheGhe released his hit song Opwe, which criticized Cyberbulge amid a highly publicized social media brawl. In a recent video posted online, GheGhe announced plans to sue Burna for 1 billion naira, claiming his hit song was copyrighted. GheGhe stated, Burna doesn't know the trouble he has gotten himself into. Opwe is trademarked. While this story has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to monitor the story for more new development. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.